So here we are again with Ayurveda, Secrets of Healing by the famous author Maya Tiwari. So the second air of vata is called udan, air of the throat. Udan, the second air of vata, and prana are somewhat analogous to the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. Udan, which means rising air, flows upward from the umbilicus through the lung and into the throat and nose. Known as the air of ejection, it provides us with our vocal powers and clarity of sense perception. It also preserves our body's natural forces, such as its strength of will and capacity for effort. So if we know this, we observe some problem in ourselves concerning these functions, then we have a very good criteria by which to determine our treatment. Udan has the supreme task of keeping track of the number of breaths we expend. Vedic lore tells us that each person, according to his or her karma, is given a certain number of breaths at the time of conception. When this ratio is used up, the person dies. Our normal breathing pace is slow and rhythmic. When our body is functioning properly, we take approximately 16 breaths per minute. Therefore, according to the ancients, when we breathe faster due to fear, anxiety and so on, we are shortening our life. An equally supreme task is Udan's capacity to preserve memory, both experiential, that means memories gathered within a present lifetime, and cognitive. These are cumulative memories carried into all lives from the beginning of creation through all time. That means from the beginning when we entered this cycle of samskara, or samsara actually, the cycle of birth and rebirth. From that point on, we collect memories which is done through the udan function, but we have to know that these memories are collected in the subtle body, mind, intelligence, and the chitta especially. The chitta is collecting these impressions, memories, and sometimes memory flow can be repressed, for example by muscle tension, etc., which then brings us back to udan. Impairment of udan can result in loss of memory, which I mentioned before, impaired speech, giddiness or heaviness in the head, deep-seated fears, and a shortened lifespan. So we should observe our udan. So she is now specifying more other function of udan, and that is udan as the keeper of memory. That will be our next little video. Jai.